this video. Today we are going to discuss 20 questions related to India. Your first question is, which Indian state is famous for the living root bridges? Your options is A. Assam, B. Meghalaya, C. Nagaland, D. Manipur. Your correct answer is B. Meghalaya. Your second question is, which Indian city is known as the city of Nawabs? Your options is A. Lucknow, B. Bhopal, C. Patna, D. Jaipur. Your correct answer is A. Lucknow. Your third question is, which Indian monument is popularly known as the Black Pagoda? Your options is A. Sun Temple, Konark, B. Jagannath Temple, C. Brideshwara Temple, D. Shore Temple. Your correct answer is A. Sun Temple, Konark. Your fourth question is, which Indian state is famous for the traditional dance from Garba? Your options is A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Maharashtra, D. Punjab. Your correct answer is A. Gujarat. The fifth question is, which is the largest brackish water lagoon in India? Your options is A. Wullard Lake, B. Chilka Lake, C. Dal Lake, D. Loktak Lake. Your correct answer is B. Chilka Lake. Your sixth question is, which Indian city is famous for the Golden Temple? Your options is A. Amritsar, B. Chandigarh, C. Ludhiana, D. Patiala. Your correct answer is A. Amritsar. Your seventh question is, which Indian state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Your options is A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Goa. Your correct answer is A. Kerala. Your eighth question is, which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? A. Holi, B. Diwali, C. Dashera, D. Pongal. Your correct answer is B. Diwali. Your ninth question is, which Indian state is famous for the traditional dance form Bihu? Your options is A. Assam, B. Odisha, C. West Bengal, D. Bihar. Your correct answer is A. Assam. Your 10th question is, which is the largest public sector bank in India? Your options is A. Bank of Baroda, B. State Bank of India, C. Punjab National Bank, D. Canara Bank. Your correct answer is B. State Bank of India. Which Indian city is famous for its Charminar? A. Hyderabad, B. Bengaluru, C. Chennai, D. Visakhapatnam. Your correct answer is Hyderabad. Your 12th question is, which Indian state is famous for the traditional dance form Kathakali? Your options is A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Andhra Pradesh. Your correct answer is A. Kerala. The 13th question is, which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? Your options is A. Kolkata, B. Mumbai, C. Pune, D. Patna. Your correct answer is A. Kolkata. Your 14th question is, which Indian state is famous for the festival Onam? Your options is A. Kerala, B. Goa, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Karnataka. Your correct answer is A. Kerala. Your 15th question is, which Indian monument is built by Shah Jahan in Delhi? Your options is A. Red Fort, B. India Gate, C. Gateway of India, D. Victoria Memorial. Your correct answer is A. Red Fort. Your 16th question is, which Indian state is famous for the classical dance from Bharatanatyam? Your options is A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Odisha, D. Andhra Pradesh. Your correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Your 17th question is, which Indian city is famous for the Gateway of India? Your options is A. Mumbai, B. Kochi, C. Surat, D. Chennai. Your correct answer is A. Mumbai. Your 18th question is, which Indian state is famous for the festival Pongal? Your options is A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Andhra Pradesh. Your correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Your 19th question is, which Indian state is famous for the classical dance from Odissi? Your options is A. Odisha, B. West Bengal, C. Bihar, D. Jharkhand. Your correct answer is A. Odisha. Your 20th question is, which Indian city is famous for the Victoria Memorial? Your options is A. Kolkata, B. New Delhi, C. Mumbai, D. Chennai. Your correct answer is A. Kolkata.